Open up a sparkly, vibrant world of crafting with acrylic beading. Acrylic beads, also called bubblegum beads, are made from hard resin or plastic. They're light and they come in an endless variety of bold designs, from rhinestones to metallic to patterns. Acrylic beads are also available in teeny tiny bead styles, accenting your fun and unique jewelry and accessory creations. Acrylic beads are a budget-friendly way to craft beautiful accessories. They pair perfectly with our polymer clay, kishi, and so many other gorgeous small beads. Our acrylic beads are sold in singles, multi-packs, and curated bead packs. There are so many ways to get started crafting with acrylic. Make sure you shop our accessories category for even more acrylic crafting ideas, like our beaded wine stoppers, our beadable pens, and so much more. Plus, we've got easy and quick tutorials to get you started on your crafting journey. Come jump on the acrylic beading train. It's the quickest and most satisfying crafting you'll ever do.